Healthcare facilities are constantly on the lookout for new systems that offer added value and future-proofing. And that's why so many facilities are choosing to install STERIRACK System in new builds and refurbishments. So what is it about STERIRACK that makes it so adaptable? Well, apart from the fact that it's modular and doesn't require any fixed joinery, STERIRACK offers a range of accessories so that as requirements change, your STERIRACK system can change with you. There are standard mesh baskets in 100mm size, 180mm and even 350mm size. For smaller items, we have our fine mesh range in both 100mm and 50mm high baskets. The beauty of STERIRACK is you can configure it however you like, maybe like this, or even this. We also have slide-in, slide-out shelves in both flat and step options. Once again, these can be configured any way you like. But it doesn't stop there. There are also drop-in bins for organising the smaller consumables, or dividers for superior organisation. And don't forget that these combinations fully integrate with our STERIRACK trolleys. The combinations are endless. Simply adjust the rails to configure the perfect wire basket and shelving system for you. There's never been a better clinical storage solution for healthcare. STERIRACK System, future-proofing healthcare storage across Australia.